check out what I found. Hold on, this is gonna be a long video, just so you know. Well, I gotta make a U-turn. Wait, gotta make a U-turn. Oh wow, wait, we'll get this in the video too. What in the hell? Look, it's an abandoned building. Let's go explore. Oh, they're doing something to it. Let's see. What does it say? Oh, they're gonna tear it down soon. Hold on. Looks like it used to be a school. Oh, look, there's a water tower up there. Oh, they really changed this neighborhood. Trying to find the vent. Oh, look, they even got the whole street blocked off. Hold on. There's more to the video. Don't stop watching. Hold on, I gotta turn around. I only got back over to here. It's like my Kinsey something. Enough for this side. Wait, don't turn it off yet. I made a special lap just to go too fast. Zoom out a little bit. So we can capture it all. This is gonna be kind of long, so keep watching. Now we got this side. Car in the way. Waterfall. Hey, a panda. Look at the happy panda. Let's take a picture of that. I know who to send that to. Panda. Or if they got a sunflower. For my lady. No, I don't see no sunflower. Oh, here. I got one for my girl now. An owl. Look at that sad monkey. Look at the sad monkey. Tulips. Here we go. This one you should like, babe. It's an owl. The hooting tree. I'll try to get a picture. There. Wait. It actually looks more real life with the tree in it. Ah! Got it. Alright, let's keep going. It's a weird one. Oh, that's cool. It's like a cheetah. Oh, there's a sunflower. Ah, there's a bad picture. Right there. So bad somebody had to ruin it with their graffiti. Trying to find an abandoned building I want to go in while it's still daylight. I can't find it. The lion. Come on, you can at least give me a thumbs up. I'm taking my time out of my day to stop and record this so everyone can see. What is that? Is that from the movie with that old man? Oh, where that old man, where he got a house in like downtown? No, that's not him. I thought that was Up from the movie Up. It's not. Got a lizard or a gecko or something. I don't know. There's a bunch of faces. Oh, here's the name of it. Oh, 2000 they did this in May of 2000. It must be everybody that did it. Wait, there's more video after this. Wait, there's more. It continues. Hold on. I'm still not done. Something crazy up that street right there, but it's not worth going to drive up. Got a mockingbird. Whatever the heck that thing is. Is that a turtle? Endangered species of Illinois. What is that? Endangered species Illinois. A partial list. Yellow birch? That's the endangered species? I'm confused. Wait. Oh, yellow birch. It looks like it's on the trees? I don't know. I'm not sure what that is. I don't think that's the species. I think that's the species on the tree. He's looking at it, I guess. Oh, there's another sunflower. It's like a dandelion. That's nice. Oh, we got a giraffe. A guy playing a guitar. Some birds. A sun on fire. Oh look, the giant bean! Ugh, the garbage can in the way. Must be another listing of names. Oh, 2004, 2005. You can pause it if you want to read the names. I think that's it. Oh no, there's more. It continues. Looks like these ones are pretty screwed up. What does this say? This one's gonna say something interesting. The only lie I ever told... What the hell? I kind of want to go in there. The only lie I ever told you is that I liked you when I already knew I loved you. Oh, that's a sweet card. That'd make a good card. The creepy, ominous door right there. Kind of want to go in there and explore. What's under there? Oh, you can see through it, look. I'm surprised there's no homeless people living in there. There's a deadbolt down there. Look. So obviously somebody's got a key to that. I don't know who, but somebody does. Oh, that is a trippy dog. west end of it. Oh no, there's still more. Man, this thing is long. You can just pause it at this point. I mean, it's kind of drawn out. Guy in a three-wheeler. Who is that? Says something in a different language. If anyone can read that, leave a comment if you know what that says. I don't know what that says. It's in a different language. Oh wow, man, they just got everyone hearted up around here. Hang on, wait till I turn to the other side. Oh look, they got the Bugs Bunny right there. See him? Bugs Bunny? Or the woman Bugs Bunny. I got a little kid, I got that kid. Man, how long is this thing? Hold on, then we got one over here. See right here? And then you got that beautiful view. You got mushrooms over there. Still going? God damn. How far does this thing go? That was cool. Looks like some Egyptian stuff. Oh wow, that looks so real, like it's a real hole in the wall. Oh, that's from a Batman cover, I think. That one. That one's coming off. Come on, pass, go. Wait a minute. No, this isn't it. Oh, that looks like a creepy alley. Looks like where Batman would go. Or the Joker, or the Riddler. Looks like this is almost the end. If you watch this far into the video, you can at least give it a thumbs up. Yeah, see, this is the end. Crazy things you'll see up there. Look at that. Look at this guy tying his shoe. He's gonna get his cheeks. Oh my god, what is this weird stuff? Oh my god. You'll see. Hold on, I'm gonna turn around. I didn't even know this was here. When did this pop up? Oh, this is it! Hold on. Me and my girl were just walking here. I got an old video, like, from several months ago. No, this can't be the same building. No way. It looks the same, though. This is it! We were following the drifting people, and somehow I got brought over here. Me and my girl, we walked around that building. That building had a big, huge painting around it. You could view it in one of my older videos. There was a big painting all the way around that. Like a huge, huge painting. They took it off. Why did they paint over it? Oh, I didn't even show you. Here, we'll go back that way. Oh, man, so one way. Yeah, I'm not going back to show you what all that was. We're trying to find something. You can't even go that way, they got the street blocked off. Oh, there we go. I was wondering where all those went. Those were all over Chicago, now they just vanished. They're gone. They're all gone. There was like hundreds of those. He's even got a shopping cart. Here, I guess I'll go buy it again. It's not. Oh, look at the clouds. It's like Gotham City. This is Gotham City. This is what I was talking about, though. Right here, watch. I got some freaky stuff going on right here. Look at this. They got like a restaurant made out of shipping containers. Look at this. Right here. Look. Is that houses? Is that a restaurant? I don't know what they got going on here. Bob's Pizza. Walking Dead up there. Look at that guy. It looks like he's come out of The Walking Dead. That guy. It's like a zombie. Brains. Give me brains. He's chasing her. There's another zombie. Brains. Eat. Go. Eat brains. Children, eat. I need brains. Oh wow, this is all new. All of this. They just built this like in like the last year or two. Oh, you can't even drive over here anymore. I didn't even know that. I thought this was on the south side. They got the whole... Me and my girl were walking here like 2 months ago. This is that building. Me and her walked around it. We parked like right there. And you could park on that side. There was a parking lot there. We parked on the parking lot there. It's in my older video. And we walked around this entire big building. And it had a big giant mural all around it. No, it's just that. Look. Yuck. How gross. Why did they get... Oh, Chris. That looks like a cool place. Me and my girl need to go there. That's new. They just built it. Yeah, we were at the car meet, following them around to the next location, and we just came across this. I thought this thing was on the south side, but it's not. It's like right out, like outer loop. If you made it this far in the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see what that building used to look like right there, give this video a thumbs up. Go to one of my car meets videos. I think it's smashed in between a car meet video and something else. But I got a video of me and my girl walking around that when it was painted. It looks cool, not lame. Man, this area changed a lot. Me and my girl were just over here like a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, and it was not like this. It was like desolate. Deserted. I don't think those buildings were even there.